Hello and welcome to the BodyWell Kitchen. My name is Luke and today I'm going to be showing you a very simple and easy smoothie to make that will be really helpful in detoxifying your liver. It will be offering vitamins and minerals in abundance and will also help to work wonders on your digestive system and really help you keep you fit and healthy throughout the day and most importantly, feeling full. So to start this smoothie, obviously you need a blender like this and ingredients. So I'm going to help make these appear now. There we go. Bit of magic for you. So all you're going to need is, you're going to need half a beetroot, you're going to need a cup of strawberries frozen and a cup of raspberries frozen as well, a small banana, about an inch cube of ginger, and then a pinch of turmeric as well, along with 2 cups of almond milk, unsweetened. Alright, so let's get started and pop these in there. Okay, so I have all my ingredients prepped. I've got my raspberries, my strawberries, my banana, my beetroot, and my grated ginger on the top here. Alright, so I'm just going to put this all in my smoothie machine, like so. Get it all in one go. There we go. Perfect. Then I'm going to add my pinch of ginger that I've already measured out. That's not ginger, that's turmeric. Remember that. And then we're going to put in 2 cups of your unsweetened almond. There goes 1, and number 2. There we go. Okay, let's give this a mix. Once put the lid on. That was nearly a mistake. Okay, let's go. Okay, and I think we're done. Right. Take that out there. This is a lovely red colour. There we go. Get it off here. Pour it in. Look at that. That is beautiful. Wow. It smells good too. So the beetroot in there obviously brings a bit of an earthiness to it, but that gets countered by the strawberry and the raspberryness of it. Let's give it a try. Oh yes. That is fantastic. And it's perfect for the start of the day, for your breakfast, anytime during the day, just a little bit for filler as well, just give you a little bit more energy. Well, I'm conscious of getting a bit of a mustache from that. That is a fantastic little smoothie for your day. Enjoy.